Now this is class third C. Subject GSC. Date 3/11/2020. And we are studying lesson 8, matter, solids, liquids and gases. We are studying lesson 8. Lesson 8, matter, these are the solids, liquids and gases. So, and revision. In this lesson, we have studied three-state matter. Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter, and also about the three states of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. And today we have to study the three states of matter are interchangeable. The three states, the three right here, the three states of matter are interchangeable. The three states of matter are interchangeable. So you can take the examples of the water. You can take the example of the water. Water is found in the liquid stage. When we reduce the temperature, up to 0 degrees Celsius, the water becomes converted into ice. That is a solid state of matter. And you warm the water, water changes into water vapors. Water vapor is the gaseous state of the matter. In the same way, ice is there. If you increase the temperature, ice changes into the water. So this is the effect of the temperature. By increasing or decreasing temperature, we can change one state of matter into another state. So you see in book it is given to take the ice cube, You take the ice cube, this is ice cube. This is ice. Ice is solid, and you start the heating. Then what happens? It changes into the water. It changes into water. That is liquid state of matter. And on heating, it changes into steam. Take the water into the water vessel, into a vessel, and start heating. Start the heating. Take the burner, and with the help of the burner start heating. It is a ice is prepared. It is kept on the ground. And this water will convert into the steam. Steam, this is the gaseous state of matter. And again, you start the cooling the water vapors on cooling and further cooling and on heating. What happens here? Here water, this is ice, this is solid state of matter. On heating, it is converted into water vapor. So this is the solid state of matter, it changes into liquid state of matter. Further heating causes water to change into the steam, that is gaseous state of matter. So it is another state of matter. So one state of matter on heating, the solid state of matter is converted to liquid state matter, and further heating it is changed into the gaseous state of the matter. And on cooling, this gaseous state of matter means that the water vapors get converted into the liquid, that is water, and further cooling, this water is converted into the ice. This is a solid state of the matter. So in this way, one state of the matter may be changed into another state of the matter only. So Different terms are given here. The three states of matter, solid, liquid and gas, are interchangeable. Ice is a solid form of water. It melts and changes into water, that is liquid. On heating, further heating changes the water into steam, that is gaseous state of matter. The process can be reversed. If the steam is cooled, it changes into water. This is steam. This steam is cooled. Steam is cooled, then it is converted into the water. This way, steam condenses to form water sufficient for the cooling, changes water into ice. That is solid state of matter. The process of changing, number one, a solid into a liquid is called melting. A liquid into a gas is called evaporation. A gas into a liquid is called condensation. And a liquid into a solid is called freezing. So these are the different terms used for the different processes. So what have you learned? Now question is, what have you learned? So, what have you learned? What have you learned? What have you learned? So first, what have you learned? Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid and gas. Number two, all matters take up space. And third, matter can change from one form to another. Now more to know. What more to know? Number one, matter is the material which make up all the things in the world. Once again, matter is the material which makes up all the things in the world. Now next, each material has its own characteristics. Each material has its own characteristics. The hardest material on the earth is diamond. Diamond is the hardest material on the earth. Water is the only substance on the earth that is naturally present in three different forms. Water is the only substance on the earth that is naturally present in three different forms. After that, word power. In word power, three words are given. Solid, number one, solid, a substance that has a different shape and size. Liquid, a substance that takes the shape of the container. And the gas, a substance that has no shape or size of its own. That's for today. Next day we'll solve the worksheet 8.